Good morning. Today is March 2nd in our devotional. And it says, think before you complain. Philippians chapter 2, verse 14 and 15. Do everything without complaining and arguing, so that no one can criticize you. Live clean, innocent lives as children of God, shining like bright lights in a world full of crooked and perverse people. Isaiah chapter 29, verse 24. Those who are wayward in spirit will gain understanding. Those who complain will accept instruction. Ephesians chapter 4, verse 29. Let no corrupting talk come out of your mouth, but only such as good for building up, as fits the occasion, that it may give grace to those who hear. Psalm chapter 142, verse 1 and 2. I cry out to the Lord with my voice. With my voice to the Lord I make my supplication. I pour out my complaint before him. I declare before him my trouble. Psalm 55, verse 17. Evening and morning, at noon, I utter my complaint and moan, and he hears my voice. Philippians chapter 4, verse 11. Not that I am speaking of being in need, for I have learned in whatever situation I am to be content. And James chapter 5, verse 9. Don't grumble against one another, brothers and sisters. And at the bottom it says, have you mastered the art of complaining? Complaining to others, to yourself, to the Lord, about your spouse, your boss, things that don't work, the weather. Ingratitude and discontentment is the source of many complaints. Before you complain about the long line, remember you've got legs to stand on. Before complaining about a hot car, remember you've got transport while others don't. Swap your complaints for gratitude. And that's good, because I tend to complain at some point in my day. I complain about something. I try not to, but we shouldn't complain. We should be thankful for every blessing that God has given us, every little thing that he gives us, even the little things. Wake up in the morning and thank him for the clean air you have to breathe. Thank him for the roof over your head. Thank him for strength to get out of bed. Thank him for the energy to walk and go about your day. Thank him for just the little things that we don't really put to mind. I mean, we thank him for our food and things like that, but thank him for the little things also. And I try not to complain, but sometimes I do, and I need to stop complaining, because there are people who have it worse than me, a lot worse than me. But I mostly complain about my husband. Just saying, no. but I love you guys. As always, give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Like, share, and subscribe. Join me on the Disciple server. And as always, if I don't see you in the next video, I hope to see you in heaven. And let's all be grateful. Count our blessings. Be grateful for what we have and content with what we have. Bye, guys.